SoundCloud. So I was so confused on what kind of hairstyle I was going to do. So I posted a poll on Instagram asking, should I keep my braids or should they go bye-bye? And y'all said go bye-bye. So I'm going to do that. Bun for you, sis. So right now I'm taking these braids down. And you guys, it took me a whole day to do these braids. And I'm taking it down the same day I did these braids. Not a whole day. Probably like 5-6 hours. Yeah, but I woke up early and all that, and then I took down my good work. But oh well, too bad my hair was too sore too. So yeah, so I'm just taking it all down, showing you guys how I took it down. They're already stretched out with gel and stuff. So then I just put a section of it up, and then I started taking the rubber bands out my hair, and yeah. I'm done taking the rubber bands out the section of my hair. I'm just going to plait it up so I can do the rest of my hair and do the same thing, comb it out and plait it. Your sis is looking like
Pretty. Bye, Felicia.
Like what, sis? We're going to have to cover that. Now that my hair was plaited up all night, just gave my hair a little bit more stretch and just so I can have more length in my bun. So then now I'm just going to take down the plaits, and then I'm just going to comb my hair out. So while I'm combing out my hair, I am leaving 2 pieces on the side of my head and twisting it up just so I can leave it for a style for my little bun, you know, be a little different from everybody else, you know, pop out with them side hairs. I am using my Eco Styling gel, and I'm just going to put that on the perimeter of my hair from the front to the back, and I'm just going to make sure that it's blended in my hair so it can, you know, lay this hair, because we need that extra slayage for this birthday bun. I'm brushing my hair upwards just so my hair can form into a nice sleek bun on the top of my head, and then while I'm doing that, I'm going to take the dollar store headband, and yeah, y'all, a dollar, and I'm just going to wrap it around my hand once, and then I'm going to wrap it around my hair twice just so I can have that nice tugged bun. Before I put my head wrap on, I'm just going to brush my hair around the perimeter of my hair to make sure it's all laid down nicely, and then I'm going to put one head tie on the back of my head and in the front of my hair just so I can have that extra layage. They gonna be like, sus! After I'm done doing my makeup, I'm just going to take the hair ties off, and I'm just going to check and see, you know, how it's looking. It was looking alright. So what I'm doing is I'm going to bobby pin the hairs that's in the back that's acting up, that don't want to lay down, that don't want to stay down in that bun. I'm just going to bobby pin it just to make sure it looks nice, and then I'm going to bobby pin any other hairs that's around that's not looking right. But I am using this Kanekalon hair from my beauty store, and y'all, this is $2, so get it. And then I'm bringing a little hair tie, and I'm just going to put it in the loop, and I'm just going to pull it on top, and then there you go, you have a little hair tie around or whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. But then after, I'm just wrapping it around my hair, and then I'm going to comb out the hair just a little bit and flip it over my bun, over my hair, and then I'm going to start braiding from there. Now you guys, I'm going to bobby pin the top of my bun. So where it starts, that little loop, I'm going to bobby pin the braid down because I want to make sure the braid doesn't move and, you know, doesn't expose my real hair. So I'm just going to bobby pin it, and then I'm going to stretch the braid out to make sure it look all natural and looking like it's my, you know, my bun. So I want to make sure I stretch the hair so it can look stretchable when I wrap the hair around my hair. So now I'm wrapping the hair around my hair, and then I'm going to bobby pin the end of the braid in my hair, and then I'm just going to fluff the hair out, and then I'm going to bobby pin the braid just so it won't move and shift and all that. After I'm done doing the bobby pin stuff, I am going to get my Eco Styling gel, just putting the Eco Styling gel on the perimeter of my hair and then getting the hair tie to, you know, slick it down or whatever. After laying them baby hairs, I'm going to take out them twists on the side of my hair, and I'm going to comb it out, and then I'm going to use this broken flat iron, y'all. I ain't even going to give y'all the deets on this flat iron because it's broken, but just know it worked for you little sis for that birthday. So y'all, that is it on how I did my little birthday bun. So if you guys liked it, don't forget to like this video, okay y'all, and share with your girl. You know, share your girl. Don't forget to smash on that notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment below suggestions for my next video, since you guys want to see so many hair videos. Love you all so much. Mwah.
You make me wanna